Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Academy. In this video we are given 1 over 1 minus 1 half plus 1 over 1 half minus 1 over 3 up to 1 over x minus 1 over x equals x times x plus 29, and we're going to find the value of x. In the first step we can put the sum of these fractions on the left hand side equals s. As you can see, we have a series, and this series can be represented in a compact form called summation or sigma notation. So we can write as equals sigma of 1 over n minus 1 over n plus n, as n goes from 1 to x minus 1. In here we need make common denominator, so the common denominator is the product of denominator of these two fractions, n times n plus 1. In the numerator we're going to get n plus 1 minus n, and n minus 1 is going to cancel out, and this fraction is going to be n times n plus 1. We can multiply n plus 1 by n, and we're going to get n as sigma ns squared plus n, or sigma ns squared plus sigma n. We know there is a formula to calculate of sum of k natural numbers. This formula, if we have k numbers and we want to add up these numbers, the sum of these numbers is equal to k times k plus 1 over 2. So this summation is equal to x minus 1 times x minus 1 plus 1 over 2. X minus 1 plus 1 is going to be x. So this summation is equal to x times x minus 1 over 2. Also, there is a formula for the calculate of sum of squared of k natural numbers. Sigma n squared, n goes from 1 to k, is equal to k times k plus 1 times 2 times k plus 1 over 6, and we have x minus squared and natural numbers. So this sigma is going to be x minus 1 times x minus 1 plus 1 times 2 times x minus 1 plus 1 over 6. X minus 1 plus 1 is going to be x, and 2 times x minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 is going to be 2 times x minus 1. We need to make common denominator. X times x minus 1 is a common factor, so we can factor it out. Minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. We can factor out 2 from this parenthesis, and then 2 and 6 is can be simplified. And we're going to get x times x minus 1 times x plus 1 over 3. So we put this fraction equals to x times x plus 29. As you can see, there is x on both sides, and since x cannot be equal to 0, so 0 is the root of this fraction. So we can divide both sides by x. X minus 1 times x plus 1 is going to be x squared minus 1, and we can multiply both sides by 3. So we're going to get this expression, and we can multiply x plus 29 by 3, and moving to other side, we can a quadratic equation. To solve this equation, I want to use the rational root theorem. One of the divisors of 88 is 11. If replace x by 11, I can see 11 is one of the answer. So I can divide this expression by x minus 11, and we're going to get x plus 8 is another factor of this expression. We need to set each of these parentheses equals 0, so we're going to get x equals 11 and x equals minus 8. Since x is a natural number, so x equals minus 8 cannot be our answer, and the only answer is 11. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and comment.